James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz and Swartz. So most of us are familiar by now with Uber and Lyft rides. Unfortunately, there have been many accidents involving those car services. So what should you do if you're in an accident in one of those cars? First, make sure you stay at the scene and gather as much information as you can if you're physically able to do so. So what does that mean? It might mean taking photographs. It might mean communicating with the Uber or Lyft driver and witnesses to the accident. It might mean getting insurance information. But just make sure that you're able to document what you can. Also, it's important that you or someone on your behalf call 911. The police need to be at the scene in order to further document what happened and create a police report. Those police reports are really important because they contain witness names and information. They may contain witness statements, which could be beneficial to your case as well. Also, avoid apologizing or admitting fault. That can be a big mistake that many folks make, and it's natural to want to say, "I'm sorry," or "I apologize." However, keep in mind that making statements like that can be used by insurance companies against you in future litigation. Also, make sure you exchange information with other people at the scene. You want to make sure, of course, that you have their information, but also you want them to have yours. And also, when the police arrive, it'll make it easier to investigate the scene and make sure those reports that they do are complete. Finally, and most importantly, seek medical attention. Now, it may be that the injuries are serious enough that an ambulance needs to be at the scene and you need to get to the hospital right away. In addition, however, make sure you follow up with your doctor or with specialists with respect to any injuries you might have suffered in the accident. That becomes critically important as you pursue your claim, as you're going to need to provide documentation of the injuries relating to the accident. So if you have questions about an Uber or Lyft accident, contact Swartz and Swartz.